Hi, my name is Matt Flaherty, and I'm a consultant here at MCA Connect in the Manufacturing Intelligence Advanced Analytics Department. At MCA, I work in a data engineer role, so I work on bringing the data into our systems from ERP systems, and then I get it all the way over to Power BI and then help develop Power BI reports for our clients. And I've been doing this for about 3 years now. My favorite part of the job is just being able to reach out to any of my colleagues for assistance. I think it's really helped me gain exposure to new ideas, and it really helps me see a problem from a high level and then also from different angles. I really enjoy this because it has helped me learn, and it's helped improve my career as well because I've just been able to gain so much knowledge from my colleagues. The culture at MCA, it's a collaborative environment. I think this collaboration really helps us in all of our projects because it allows us to tackle problems from multiple angles. And I think being able to tackle problems from multiple angles really helps develop a solid solution. I also think one of the big things at MCA with our culture is our work-life balance. MCA's collaborative environment helps its clients out because we're able to take all these challenging problems and we're able to get multiple team members working on a similar idea, which helps us view things from different angles. MCA is a manufacturing industry-driven consulting firm, and I think this really helps our clients out because not only have we been able to see a lot of the problems that a lot of our clients have had in other situations, we're able to just take our subject matter experts that are in-house, their knowledge, and put that into the solution right away. If I could have one superpower, it would probably be the superpower to freeze time. I just feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done from a requirement standpoint, but then also being able to just do things that I enjoy in life. So being able to freeze time, I think, would just allow me to accomplish everything that I wanted to accomplish during the day. I also would like to have this superpower because in moments that I'm really relishing the joy, I just want to take that and capture it somehow, and I think this would be the best way to do it. I'm a big sports analytics enthusiast, so this has led me to reading about sports analytics, how they're using it across all the sports, mainly with American football.